Hi, welcome to the price dashboard, your hub for managing everything in one place. Let's explore one of our most powerful tools, locked messages. Now let's take a look at the navigation bar on the left side. Locked message, click on lock message. This is how your lock message page will look. It's designed to give you all the tools you need in one place. On the right-hand side, you'll see the Create Blocked Message button. Simply click it to start creating your premium content. First, enter the price for your locked message. This is the amount users will pay to unlock your premium content. Once done, click the Next button. In this case, I will enter 100 rupees. Next, type in a visible message. This is what your users will see before purchasing the content. Think of it as a teaser or a preview for your locked message. By toggling on Activate Limited Time Offer, here you can set a time limit and offer a discount percentage. Once the time expires, the original price will automatically apply. Next, the Expire Message option. This lets you set a specific date and time for the message to become unavailable. Just toggle it on and select your desired expiration date. You can also choose to make the message visible to everyone by toggling the Make Message Public option. When enabled, users can see the message even before purchasing. Lastly, enable the Custom Price option to let buyers pay any amount they wish for your locked message. This adds a flexible and user-friendly touch to your premium content. After filling all the information, just click on the Next button. Next step, by adding the premium content, this is the exclusive message that buyers will see after purchasing your locked message. You can also attach additional content like photos, videos, or PDFs by clicking the plus icon. Simply drag and drop your files or browse to upload them. After filing the all information, simply click on Submit button, and that's it. Your locked message is ready for your audience to purchase. After creating your locked message, you'll be redirected to this page. At the top of the page, you can track your total sales and total revenue, giving you a quick overview of your performance. On the left-hand side, you see your locked message link. Use the share option, copy button, or generate a QR code by clicking the QR icon. Below the link, you will find all the important details about your locked message. The price of the message, the creation date, the visible message your buyers see before purchasing, and the premium content they unlock after purchase. On the right, you'll see the media files you've added, such as images, videos, or PDFs. Want to make changes? Click on the Add Media button to upload or edit your content. We will see the Add Comment option. At the bottom, you can pin a message for your users by clicking the Add Comment button. This allows you to update or share additional information with your audience. Click on Head Comment options. If necessary, the comment emission will see Notify Buyer side. Start by enabling the promo code option at the top. If it's disabled, users won't see your promo codes. To create a new promo code, click on the Create Your Smart Promo Code button. You can either manually enter a promo code or click Auto Generate Code to let the system create one for you. Next, add your discount details. Choose the type, fixed amount or percentage, and set the discount value. Now set a start time for the promo code to become active. Toggle on. Set expiry to define an end time when the code will automatically expire. Select the products the promo code will apply to. For example, choose Lock Message if this is the product you want to discount. Once all details are filled, click the Submit button to save your promo code. Your discount is now ready to share. Click on the Filters button to open the filtering options. In the Created Date field, you can filter promo codes by specific time frames, such as today, yesterday, this week, well, this month, last month, or choose a custom range to filter by exact dates. Once you've selected your preferred date range, click Filter to apply the filter and view your results. If you want to reset and view all promo codes, simply click Clear. Below that, we will the Concede option. To find specific transactions, use the search bar. You can filter by phone number or any other relevant criteria from the drop-down menu. Click the View All button to see a detailed list of all transactions completed on your account. Use the Filters option to narrow down transactions by specific parameters, such as date, product, or amount. If no transactions are found, you'll see this message: Transaction not found. In this case, create a product and share its link to start generating transactions. The Recent Transactions section keeps all your payment activity organized and accessible. Start exploring now to keep track of your earnings effortlessly. Pages View and Traffic Analytics section of the site, your go-to dashboard for tracking audience engagement and understanding where your traffic is coming from. At the top, you'll see the Page Views graph, which shows how many people have visited your page. You can monitor trends in real time to understand how well your content is performing. Use the drop-down menus to customize your view. Select the interval as day, week, or month to adjust the time frame. Below, next, you'll see traffic sources, which tells you exactly where your audience is coming from. Whether it's social media, search engines, or direct links, this helps you focus your efforts on the most effective platforms. Next, you'll see in the Traffic Devices section, you can see which devices your audience is using: mobile, tablet, or desktop. So you can optimize your content for their preferred device. Next is Traffic Browsers, showing which browsers like Chrome, Firefox, or Safari your viewers are using. This insight ensures that your pages are optimized for the right platforms. Finally, explore the geographical view map to pinpoint where your audience is located. Zoom in to see exactly which cities or regions your traffic is coming from, helping you tailor your strategies for specific locations. Your lock message has been successfully created. Now it's time to share it with your audience. Go to the top of the page, click the copy link icon, or use the share option to send it directly to your audience. You're all set to start monetizing your premium content. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Start creating and sharing your locked messages today and take your content to the next level